Today we're going to be making Rasta Pasta with shrimp. We're going to be using penne noodles, jerk seasoning, Alfredo, Old Bay seasoning, onions, bell peppers, and garlic, and a little bit of butter. So we're going to cut up our veggies. We're using multicolor bell peppers. That orange bell pepper really should have been a yellow one, but I guess somebody used my yellow bell pepper. But we're going to chop up our bell peppers, and we are going to set those to the side. And then we are going to chop up our onions and then also set those to the side as well. And then we are going to season our shrimp. To season our shrimp, we're just going to be using Old Bay seasoning. The shrimp that we're using is raw, peeled, devined shrimp. And we're going to be using a spoon of jerk seasoning and Old Bay seasoning. Then we're going to just mix that together. And then we are going to set it to the side as well while we heat our pan and get prepped to make the shrimp. So we're going to heat our pan, and then we are going to put maybe about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the pan. Once our water begins to boil, we are going to go ahead and add some salt, and then we're going to add our pasta. We're going to cook our pasta according to the package instructions, so maybe about 10 minutes to get it cooked but not too soggy. So once our oil is hot, we're going to go ahead and add our shrimp to the pan. The main thing to remember about cooking shrimp is that it cooks very fast and it's pretty delicate. So if you cook it for too long, then it's going to end up being very rubbery. So we are just going to just put them in the pan and then just watch them. Once they start to get pink, we're going to go ahead and flip them, and then in about a minute or two, we will check the other side just to make sure it is pink as well. And then we are going to remove them from the heat. Don't leave them in the pan because they will continue to cook if the pan is hot. Just go ahead and remove them from the heat. So once we've removed all the shrimp from our pan, we are also going to use that same pan to saute our veggies. We're going to add a little bit more cooking oil, and then we are going to go ahead and saute our veggies in the same pan. The advantage of doing that is then you get all of the little excess seasoning from the shrimp as well. So we're going to add a tablespoon of garlic to our pan, and then we're going to add our chopped up onions and bell peppers, and then we're going to saute them. So now we're going to go ahead and add our Alfredo sauce and 1 tablespoon of jerk seasoning. And we are going to let that heat up, and then we're going to put it on low to simmer. Then we're gonna drain the pasta, and to the pan we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter, and then we're gonna re-add the pasta, and we're just gonna mix it up. The butter just helps to separate the pasta. And then we are going to add our Alfredo sauce that has been simmering on the side, and then we're gonna mix that in with the pasta. And here we have our end product. We just topped it with the shrimp that we prepared earlier. And here's our beautiful pasta. It looks delicious. The shrimp looks good and plump, doesn't look dried out. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.